central San Diego County in southwestern California until 5:30 p.m. PDT. At 2:27 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.75 to 1.25 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the valley burn scar and the Border 32 fire. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include El Cajon, Alpine, I-8 between Pine Valley and Boulevard, Coyamaca Rancho State Park, Potrero, Lake Morena,